wicked too wicked and lie. But me, so that first. Which part of me that said that first? Stop calling my name, it's too lie. Yeah. Take God off for the cross, man. You know, say too lie, I'm a can't bother with you. Yeah, cause which part of me would have said that first? You know you first say it, so just stop. Anyway, what you dealing, lad? Alright, go and go to that and link my back then. But they are wait. So hang up your phone now? No, you hang up first. Why me always have to hang up first? Alright, don't hang up then because me have all day. Are you up first?
Kwana! Kwana! Kwana!
Yes, mommy. You never hear me call you? If me didn't hear me, the answer. You never hear me a ball out my throat when I call you, this big man. Suppose I dead, me did I dead. What you mean by me not dead? Suppose me in here I dead. When I tell me say if I did die?
Why you call?
Where did you at 36 hours, I don't on the bed of a jubilee, I try to push you out, look a dirty girl. You're out of order bad. Go for the remote, come give me. And that the remote be right this so really? Right. God, I come in, I come out of this. Out of order. You pay bills in here?
Mom, Miss Big Woman, before you go, please to bring some water for me.
I'm not done with it. Go and go press my shirt for your brother and enough wear go to school in the morning.